SpriCAD for AutoCAD and BricsCAD version 5. The merging of files. Two files can now be merged without any problems. After joining, the pipes are renumbered. Here in the example, a multi-story building. Open the file into which another file is to be inserted, here with the objects of the ground floor. Attach the file with the upper floors by Reference Manager. With right-click, the referenced file is binded and pasted. The reference becomes a block. Set the block to the origin with the explode command. At that moment, pipes and branch pipes are renumbered. In the merged model, calculations can now be made, provided the feed-in point and the operation area is set correctly and everything is connected. You can watch the following innovations in other videos. The floor management, calculation of hydrant systems combined with sprinkler systems, cover area with sprinklers. Check our website and get your 14 days demo version free of charge as a full version.